Imagine waking up to money in your account. It's not from your day job. This is passive income earnings generated with minimal effort. Sounds dreamy, right? It's the ticket to freedom for many. No more alarm clocks, soul-sucking commutes, or office politics. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable income streams. These streams work for you, even while you sleep. The beauty? You can earn without trading time for money directly. This frees you to pursue passions, travel, or simply relax. The idea of passive income is alluring. Who wouldn't want financial freedom and more free time? But it's crucial to understand both the allure and the reality. Passive income requires an upfront investment. This investment can be time, money, or both. The rewards can be life-changing. Imagine the possibilities with more control over your time and finances. That's the promise of passive income, and it's a journey worth exploring. Passive income, the dream of making money while you sleep. But let's debunk some myths before you quit your day job. Passive income isn't a magic money tree. It's not about getting rich quick with zero effort. That's a fantasy, not reality. Myth, it's completely passive. False. Even passive income requires work, especially at the beginning. You need to create, invest, or manage something. Think of it as semi-passive income. Effort up front leads to rewards later. Myth, it's quick and easy money. Nope. Building passive income takes time. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Don't expect overnight riches. Focus on building sustainable income streams over time. Myth, it's risk-free. No investment is entirely risk-free. Passive income streams can fluctuate. Markets change, trends fade, and unexpected events happen. Diversifying your income streams can mitigate risk. Remember, knowledge is power. By separating myth from reality, you can approach passive income with realistic expectations and strategies for success. The path to passive income is paved with challenges. Understanding these hurdles is crucial for navigating them successfully. One major challenge? Overcoming the initial learning curve. Researching, testing, and refining strategies takes time and effort. Competition is another obstacle. The online world is saturated with passive income seekers. Standing out requires creativity, uniqueness, and a deep understanding of your chosen niche. Finding the right balance between creating and promoting can be tough. You need to create high-quality content or products, but you also need to effectively market them to reach your target audience. Maintaining momentum is key. Building passive income streams can feel like a marathon, not a sprint. Staying motivated, overcoming setbacks, and constantly learning are crucial for long-term success. Ready to start building your own passive income streams? Excellent! The first step is identifying your skills, passions, and resources. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What resources can you leverage? Next, explore different passive income models. Affiliate marketing, online courses, ebooks, real estate, dividend investing, the options are vast. Research thoroughly and choose a model that aligns with your interests and goals. Once you've chosen your model, create a solid plan. Define your target audience, research your competition, and outline your creation and marketing strategies. Break down your plan into smaller, actionable steps. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate consistent time and effort to building your passive income streams. Stay patient, persistent, and adaptable. Don't be afraid to adjust your strategies as needed.